Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to earn money fast on Bloxburg. So let's just get right into the video because this is going to be a long video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is work as a pizza place delivery because pizza place delivery gives you the most money, and I'm actually going to show you. So you go to this little button right here with the person. You click on work and you have to be in the job to see it, and it will say like shift earnings. So you're going to like do something in your job, like you have to deliver the pizza, so keep that open. Go to your delivery moped and deliver the pizza. So there's the person right there. So you're gonna go up and press E or click. Then, as you can see, I earned $221 just from delivering one pizza, and that was pretty easy. I actually have a screenshot of me when I was working there. When I was working there, um, yeah. So I have it somewhere. Files. Download. I have a picture of my check on Roblox, like how much you earn on Roblox. So right here, Roblox folder. I'm gonna open it. And then I have it right here. It's a check of my Roblox screenshot thingy. It takes forever, but it was like 3,000 or 4 right here. 2 Beach Lover 2008, February 11, 2018, which is today. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's today. And this was in 6,027, wait, 6,273. And, it was for working by Mr. Block. And yeah, so that was just a while ago. Um, yeah, that was a while ago today, but that was just one of my checks for Bloxburg. Um, and that's pretty much it. You work as a delivery person, and you just end your shift, cash it out, and then you're done. And you can just keep doing that until you have enough money. Bye, guys.